Hi Leos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Leos, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking these cards, Leos. So, these are for your general energies. This is for your relationship, guys, and this card is for your career situation, Leos. If you want more clarity, Leos, in your circumstances, you can stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that will follow this general guidance. So you can stay tuned for that reading, guys. So let's start with these cards here for your general energies. We have Moon in reverse, Knight of Suns, and Lady of Suns in reverse. So in your circumstances, guys, Leos, maybe in your work or maybe in your relationship, you are feeling really confused or vague. Maybe today something is not clear. You may have some doubts or some confusion regarding something, and for some of you, you are paying a lot of attention to something has been really interesting in your circumstance, and it is taking away your time, energy, and your focus, and you are spending a lot of time on that, and you are unable to concentrate on the things that are most needed, maybe in your work or maybe in your relationship. So these distractions are taking away your time, and you feel really lost. You don't know how to handle your work situation, or maybe in your relationship you are finding it really difficult to cope up. So maybe for some of you, you are into some kind of habits, maybe, or you are interested in some hobbies, something that is truly interesting, truly you are very passionate about, and that is diverting your attention, guys, Leos. And maybe the people you are with, maybe there is someone someone really close to you, maybe your friend or a family member, but this person is giving you some suggestions, something you cannot follow, something that is against your belief, or something it's against your wishes. So this person may be talking against this person you love, so you do not want to listen to that. And maybe they are telling you something, it may not be the truth, but you don't know the entire truth about this person. So some kind of confusion or doubts may be there about this person or about this relationship. You may have a level of understanding with this person, guys, but what this friend of yours is communicating to you, maybe some gossips or rumors or some third hand information, whatever it is causing a lot of confusion in your circumstances, Leos. So for your relationship, we picked one card, and it is Papas in reverse. So with this card, again, it just means that maybe in your situation, this person you are in relationship with, they may be involved in some rumors or gossips. Maybe people are talking about them behind their backs. So maybe people are gossiping about you or about this person, and it is simply worrying you, maybe, but you do not have that clarity today, guys. Something is not clear. Maybe this friend of yours is telling you certain things, but you feel that you cannot just trust on someone and make this circumstance worse for you. So, for some of you, it may be a false direction this person is giving you. Maybe they do not like your person. That may be the reason they are speaking their mind. But if you want to know the truth, you must communicate with this person honestly, Leos. That is what I see with these cards for your relationship, guys, Leos. So let's see what is the card for your career circumstance. It's Fool. So maybe in your work situation you are quite cheerful about something, happy about something and confident, but in that confidence and cheerfulness you are forgetting that clear thinking and assessment you need to do in any circumstance. So if you are deciding something important for your career situation, Leos, you must think hard, then decide. You should not make any impulsive choices that is going to land you in lot of difficulties, guys, Leos. So that is the reading for you all today, Leos. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, please stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Leo. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with this first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys. So now let's see what is your first card. I'll keep this card aside. So for those who chose this card, the first card, Snow White and Rose Red, Sister Love. So with this card, the energy is that, guys, maybe you have a very loving and caring family and people who trust you, people who are truly concerned about you, and you need to appreciate the things in your life, guys. Maybe this family, the people you have, and the blessings you have. When you appreciate the blessings you have already, and when you are happy for whatever is there with you, you are going to, have that peace, happiness, and contentment in your heart. And that happiness is going to radiate in all the facets of your life. So when you are feeling really blessed for this friendship you have with the people you love, maybe your parents, sibling, or friends, or it may be even people in your work, the friendship you have, and when you find that happiness with them, when you try to find the blessing in any situation, just like finding the gem in the dirt and a star in the dark night. So whatever good quality these people have, or whatever goodness you feel from them, when you appreciate that, you are going to be more stronger, you are going to feel more strengthened. And maybe each and every one of us, we have the darker aspects of human nature and the brighter aspects. We have the negative things like anger and resentment inside us, but we should not reject that, guys. We must just accept it with honesty. When we do that, we are going to see so much happiness and abundance flowing in our situation, and we are going to strengthen the bond we have with the people we love. And the way we are cheerful, the way we are happy with the things we have today. Maybe appreciate the blessings that we have. Many more blessings are or will flow towards us, guys, when we are happy for what we have today. And when we are doing good, we are only getting goodness back to us. So that is the energy with this card. For those who chose this card, that is the reading, guys. So for those who chose the second card, this card, let's see what it is. And it is bronzite. So it is a crystal spirit card, guys. So maybe in your circumstances, maybe in this relationship, you were betrayed in the past and it was too much for you to handle, a lot of pain, a lot of sadness. But this crystal spirit reminds you that you can be much more wiser, you can be much more stronger today by extending trust once again, maybe in this relationship. But it may be quite challenging based on your past experience. You feel that you cannot trust anyone. But this crystal spirit cards tell you that you need to be really mindful of the signs. Maybe sometimes you may see sign for you to move back in a relationship, maybe take a step back and nurture yourself. When you see that, you must do that. But this card asks you to trust this person again, maybe give them another chance. It may be the past person or it may be this present person. So your past should not change the way you are seeing your present love, your present situation. So you need to be true to yourself, true, honest to yourself first. So what you truly feel in your heart of hearts, when you do that, you are going to be honest with that other person. And when you build that loving relationship with yourself, you will be able to build that loving and respectful relationship with another person. And remember, guys, you are always protected when you are divinely directed. So you must do the right thing you feel deep down in your heart. So whatever you feel is the honest choice or that honest decision, you must stand for that, guys. So your loyalty and steadfastness is what will be rewarded by the universe. So universe is here to guide you if you are really truthful. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading. Thank you, guys, for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. Thank you, guys. I will see you all tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.